Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share a Louis Vuitton bag review. This here Louis Vuitton, you all. This here Louis Vuitton is very special, okay? When I say very special, this was my very first Louis Vuitton purchase. It's been over 10 years. Yes, y'all, it's been over 10 years. Bag. Back when I bought this bag, it was like around under $1,600. I'm not 100% sure, but if so happen I can find a receipt on my account, I will let you know. If not, I know it was under $1,500, I think. Bandolier first came out. And if you a Louis Vuitton girl, you know how long ago that was. Share, y'all, my Louis Vuitton Speedy, y'all. Yes, this was my, like I said, this was my very first purchase. But I will say I do regret the size. I had purchased a 25 because this 30 is not my size anymore. Consider her? No, but I just don't wear her as much, only because, like I said, it's just, it kind of reminds me of a bowling bag. I did get my initials hot stamped on this here bag back when I bought it. It did patina, and again, it's still not as dark and black as it used to be like back in the day. You know, those straps used to look real black and dark, y'all. But this hair strap, as you can see, for me to have had this bag 10 plus years, it still looks good. Spots and stains on it, but again, it just give it that vintage look, that vintage vibe. Has tarnished, and I don't even bother to clean the lock because of the fact that, like, why have a bright shiny lock when the hardware is a little like tarnished as well. Speedies have changed far as the way they look, like far as the inside. Mine's just had this here patch pocket. Now the newer Speedies have like a zipper patch pocket. Better, but like I said, I bought this bag back when it first came out, and had I waited, I probably would have got the newer version. This was the reason why I started my YouTube channel, because I watched a whole bunch of videos on the Speedy, and this is what made me purchase my very first Speedy. And then my next purchase was the Neverfull. Into a lot of reviews, and like I said, at the time I was a little fluffier, so I was into bigger bags. Like now, I would have preferred at least a 25. You know, it is what it is. The one with the strap, because like I said, back then I was going to purchase just the Speedy, but then the Speedy Bandolier came out. I was like, $2 more and get the strap, you know, because of the fact that let me tell you something. You are looking to buy a Speedy, please don't buy a regular Speedy, because I'm telling you right now, you are going to get tired of carrying that Speedy in the crook of your arm. Like you are. Because I was just like, best investment ever. The crossbody, you can throw it to the side, to the back. Like, you could just, you know, wear other ways than just in the crook of your arm. Do stuff this here bag, because the way it's made, I don't want it in my closet just like sitting like this and stuff just falling all over it and making it even like smashing it even more. Because when you buy this bag, it's like flat and they fold it down like this. So I wanted to keep it stuffed so, you know, it can keep its shape. In the inside, it looks pretty good. I mean, I'm not sure if you can see it, but in the inside, it looks pretty clean. You could take like a cloth and just clean the inside of it. I haven't, like I said, I haven't been grabbing this bag as much, but I wear this bag to work the other day, and I was just like, this bag is just way too big for me now. So mad because I want to wear my Speedy, because I'm seeing like girlies pulling out their Speedies and decorating the bag with all the charms and all that kind of stuff. But I don't know, y'all. It's just kind of big. Let me share the Speedy. Like, I mean, it's not that big, but it's just not what I'm used to anymore. like, I don't know, she kind of big. Always keep this bag because this was my very first Speedy. I mean, my very first purchase. And you know, you do get a strap longer, but I don't keep the extender piece on here because it was like way too long for me. I will say, since I didn't attach that extra piece to the bag, you got this raw leather piece with the darkened leather, so I should have just kept it all together and wait until it patina and then took the strap off, the little piece off. But wear is still looking good, I will say. I thought this would be a bag I would pass down to my daughter, but I don't think she would wear this big bag because she likes little bags. You do have your Louis Vuitton on the hardware. This here strap hardware, it still looks shiny. Here on the strap, it tarnished a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. But for me to have had this bag for 10 plus years, I feel like it's in pretty good condition. And it was back when they had the date code. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, the date code was in the inside. It was right here. So the date code reads SD0133. So let me know what that means, y'all, because I honestly forgot. SD0133. That was in 2013. And if so, that was back when my son was 13 years old and now he's 24. I have had this bag for a very long time. And I do like the way it's holding up. Like I said, it's worth investing in a luxury bag. Because look at this bag, y'all. And it's still rocking. Spots on here, you know. But like I said, I'm not really tripping about that because, you know, I had the bag for 10 plus years, so it wasn't going to be in excellent condition, but it still looked good. One of them bags I could probably carry today because I was thinking of going to the pumpkin patch, and I could throw all my stuff in here and then wear it as a crossbody and toss it to the back. So this is something that I could carry if I didn't want to carry like my big Neverfull like on my shoulder. Because, you know, sometimes if that Neverfull get really heavy, it digs in my shoulder. Like, oh gosh, y'all, arms hurt so bad. So that's why I don't like to overstuff my Neverfull. And that's another reason why I don't travel with that Neverfull. Because the one time I traveled to PA with that Neverfull, I filled it up with all kinds of stuff. And when I tell you, that damn thing was killing my shoulder to the point where I wanted to leave it where it was at because it was just killing me. And in here, because y'all already know this is like an endless bag. So much stuff can fit in here. I just wanted to get on here and share my very first Louis Vuitton purchase, y'all. This is so dear and near to my heart. I couldn't believe that I had a Louis Vuitton. Like, I always loved handbags as a little girl, but I never thought in a million years I would be able to afford a Louis Vuitton. I bought my Louis Vuitton back then because the prices now, like this here Louis Vuitton is going for, I think, a little over $2,000. And I'm going to be completely honest, this is not worth over $2,000. I'm sorry, it's not. Now, I would invest in a leather Speedy for that price, but not a canvas. Like, y'all, it's just ridiculous how much the prices had went up. And I get it, but damn, you know, I have to say, I'm glad I got all my pieces back when the prices were still kind of okay. Now, I know even back then the prices were still expensive, but they not as high as they are now, y'all. I'm like, before you know it, a Speedy is going to run you like almost $3,000 in a few years. Like, I wouldn't be surprised. Absolutely not. When I first bought this bag, I do remember I had to get the piping redone because it was just like real crinkly, and it was just like, it just didn't look right. So I took the bag in because when you purchase a Louis Vuitton, you do get a year warranty. So I did take it in and they had fixed the bag, and I forgot how long it took for them to fix the bag, but they did fix it and I didn't have to pay for it. It was a little smaller. Like I said, I would have gave this to my daughter, But she's not gonna carry this because it's way too big. Because it's kind of, like I said, it's a little too big for me. But if I'm out and about today, I can just wear this as a crossbody and just throw all my stuff in here. And it won't tug on my shoulders as much because this strap is a little thicker than the Neverfull strap. But yeah, y'all. And the bag has a D-ring because that's where you can attach like your keys or whatever. It was back when the date codes were like on the inside of the bag or like on the little leather tab, chips. And now I'm starting to understand why they had chips, because y'all, these replica bags now, not the old replica bags, but these newer replica bags, y'all, I'm like 10 out of 10. Like, I cannot believe the quality on these here replica bags. So I get why Louis Vuitton price said, we can't even do the day code thing because they even mastering the day code. So let's do the chip. Now, how they put the chips in the bag, have no clue. Don't care to know. But I will say now I understand why they put the chips in the bag, y'all. Let me go answer the door. Yeah, y'all, this is my Speedy 30, my very first purchase. I just wanted to get on here. My very first purchase because I have been like sharing like bag reviews, but it's been like my newer purchases. And I was like, let's go all the way back to where it all started. And it started with my Louis Vuitton Speedy. If y'all have a Speedy, let me know what size you have. Like I said, if I ever purchase another bag, I was thinking maybe a Speedy 25. But I got this here bag. Let me show you this bag, y'all. This bag was sent to me. If you know, you know, because you have to watch what you say, because you know they've been taking down people videos. But y'all, when I tell you this bag is so cute, like, do you see the quality of this here bag? Like, this bag is made so well. Like, and that's what I was saying. This here is a 20. And you see how the 20 is just like a really cute, like a cutesy size for me. This big old bowling bag. Like, do you see the difference in size? Like, I could do at least a 20, a 25. But this 30 is just way too big. Like, do you see the size comparison? This is a 20 and this is a 30. Way too big. Like, way too big. But I'm just saying, y'all, you see how this bag looks? I wanted to get on here and share my very first Louis Vuitton purchase. This is the reason why I started my YouTube channel, you all. So with that being said, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Yes, click on that subscribe button, you all, because it will really help out my channel. And with that being said, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.